Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're taking a look at the Hinderer Knives Eklipse 3.0. Let's check it out. With a larger blade, the Eklipse Gen 2 has been out for a while. But fresh in is the Eklipse 3.0 with a blade length of about 3 1/8 of an inch from the tip to the leading edge of the scale. This knife is easy to hold on to, and it's what I would consider to be just about a perfect size for EDC. Because you get a full grip with all 4 fingers having something to grab onto, but nothing extra, so it doesn't need to take up too much room in your pocket. The blade on these knives are harpoon spanto points with compound flat grinds, and this is a great cross-section of tactical prowess and EDC friendliness. The tip is nice and acute, and the way you hold this knife, it points very naturally. Their blades feature Hinderer's stone-washed finish, which is a great working finish. It's going to hide those scuffs and scratches as you use it, and they're ground from US-made S35 VN steel. The Eklipse 3.0 is equipped with the Hinderer TriWay Pivot, and it keeps getting better and better. I think these models are some of the best flipping Hinderers I have ever felt. The detent is crisp yet easy, and overall it's just extremely satisfying. As is standard with the TriWay system, we get bearings installed in the pivot, but included in the box are extra sets of washers. These can be used if you want to change the feel of your knife, but they can also be useful in sandy environments where you might gum up the bearings. And unlike the Gen 2 Eklipse, which had G10 just on one side, the 3.0 has G10 slabs on both sides. To make sure there's still some visual interest, we got some cool cutouts on the G10 as well that reveal the titanium underneath, and that titanium is stonewashed to match the blade finish. We've got 3 colors to start with, including black G10 for a classic tactical look. We also have a vibrant blue color if you want something that's a bit more visible. But I really like this OD green colorway. It's not too aggressive, so it still blends in very well, but it's a little bit different than all the other black knives out there. The grip is overall very nice on this knife as well. There's a hint of traction to the G10, it's not too aggressive, overall has a very nice feel. We also have a flipper tab for a nice finger guard, as well as 2 finger grooves and some jimping on the rear. This shape is good enough to add a little bit of retention without getting in the way of different hand sizes. The back of the knife is open with just 2 barrel spacers separating the sides, and it's going to be easy to keep clean, and it gives a nice view of the meticulous internals of this knife as well. Looking at the lock itself, there's no lock bar insert, but there's no lock stick either, and the knife disengages very smoothly when you're done with it. It also lacks the typical Hinderer over travel arrestor, and that's because the G10 slabs actually pull double duty to keep the bar from being pushed out too far. When the blade is open, we get typical Hinderer solidity with no blade play and an extremely strong feel. Completing the package, we get a typical folded Hinderer clip with a matching stonewashed finish. Now it is set up for right side carry only in a tip-up configuration. Now, if it wasn't clear by now, I think the Eklipse 3.0 is a winner. It's built right here in America, and it's just the right size for your next daily carry. And with the new TriWay Pivot, you won't want to put it down. Seriously, there hasn't been a knife that's inspired this much compulsive flipping from me in a long time. If you want to get your hands on any of them, click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.
Velocity.
And it can also come in handy in sandy environments. And they can also come in, I did it again. And they can also be useful in sandy environments. Did I say meticulous? And the knife disengages very smoothly when you disengage.